nearly at half term. After today, we've literally got 5 more days, 1 more week, and then you get a lovely rest. So that's something to look forward to. But alas, today we are looking at bar models. So we have done a little bit of work on bar models, but we're going to do a bit more. So warm up our brains, as we have been every other day. Can you round this number to the nearest 10, 100 and 1,000? Off you go. Okay, let's go through this then. So we've got 2,345. We circle the tens, underline next door. Think about that 5. Is it going to round up or down? It's going to round up, so the answer is going to be 2,350. Okay, now we're going to round to the nearest 100. Okay, let's circle the hundreds, underline next door. Okay, have a look then. Is that 4 going to round up or down? It's going to round down. So our answer is going to be 2,300. Exciting. And the last one. Round to the nearest 1,000. We circle and underline. Is that 3 going to go up or down? It's going to go down. So our answer is going to be 2,000. Okay, there we go. Right, on to bar models. Okay, so what are bar models? Bar models are a great visual way to help us answer questions. So, sometimes there's these questions and you just can't quite get in your head what they want you to do. Drawing a bar model will help you with that. So here we go. We've got Tim and Ben. Well done, Ben. They've all got some sweets. Okay, so you can see here that Tim has got 4 sweets. Ben has got 2 sweets, and this is all just represented, same sum, different ways. Okay, next we have this question. Lucy has picked 17 apples. Here we go, can you see here, we've got 17. Okay, she wants to give her 5 friends 6 apples each. How many more apples does she need to pick? Okay, so what we're going to need to do first of all is work out how many she needs in total. Okay, so that's going to be 6 times 5, which I'm sure you can all tell me is 30. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little band over the top that says 30. Okay, she's already got 17 apples. We need to work out the difference. Okay, so what we could do is go 30, take away 17. Okay, I'm sure lots of you could tell me that that is going to be 13. She's going to need 13 more apples, guys. 13. Okay, let's have a look at the next question. Oh, I've just added an extra page just for fun there. Okay, so there are 3 times as many cars as trucks on the road. Can you see here? We've got 3 blocks with cars, 1 block with trucks. There are 264 trucks on the road. 264. There are 172 red cars. How many cars are not red? So there's going to be a few steps to this. First of all, we're going to find out how many cars in total there are. So have a look at this. What can we do if we know that there's 264 trucks and there's 3 times as many cars? What do we need to do? We need to multiply it by 3. So here we go, 264 multiplied by 3. I bet you're, that's definitely not going to be enough room, is it, guys? I've been way too optimistic there. Let's move this whole thing across, and actually, let's do it at the bottom, because if not, it won't like my workings out. Right, so 264 times 3. Now, I bet you're thinking, wow, I'm really pleased we recapped the 4 key functions yesterday, because I am also thinking that. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Pop that in. Now we need to do 3 times 60. So 3 times 6 is 18, so that's going to be 180. Now we need to do 3 times 200. 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 200 is going to be 600. Okay, now let's add these up. So 2, 9, 7. Okay, so in total there are going to be 792 cars. Let's draw a little bracket. Okay, now let's go back to that original question and read it again. There are 3 times as many cars as trucks on the road. There are 264 trucks, and we know there's 792 cars. There are 172 red cars. How many cars are not red? Now what we need to do is a bit of subtraction. So we're going to do 792. We're going to take away 172, because that's how many red cars there are. 2 take away 2 is 0. 9 take away 7 is 2. 7 take away 1 is 6. So this tells us that there are 620 cars on the road that are not red. Let's write it here. 620. Nice and easy. There we go. Okay, Zach has 3 different rectangles. 1, 2, 3. Find the length of the shortest rectangle. Okay, so what we can do first of all, we know we've got 37 centimetres, then we've got a blank. And all of this and all of this are going to be the same. So we can work out the missing value quite simply. We can do 26 add 19. Let's do the nice column method just in case we're feeling a bit tricky today. So we've got a 5 and a 1 because it's 6 add 9 is 50. And then we've got 2 add 1, which is 4. So all of that equals 45. Which means all of this is going to equal 45 as well. So really easily in our head we can see that the difference is going to be 8. So the length of this rectangle is going to be 8 centimetres. Easy. Okay, I think this is the last one we're going to go through together, lovelies. Okay, and it's about David and Fiona on a fishing trip. So David catches 35 fish. Fiona catches 21 fish. How many more fish does David catch? So we know that Fiona has got 21. Okay, but we don't really care about that. We care about this bit. The how much more does he catch? Okay. So what we need to do is find out that difference. So we're going to do 35 take away 21. 5 take away 1 is 4. 3 take away 2 is 1. So the difference is 14. There we go. So you guys are now going to have a go at some different questions. Okay, so you're going to need to draw your bar models just like we've used here, because it helps you to visualise it even more. Okay, so the answers to your worksheets are on the slides. So when you're finished, don't look at them now, you can have a check and make sure you've got those right, okay? Good luck and I'll see you next week, guys. Bye!